This video is all you need to start your eBay dropshipping business. I have been doing this for a very long time, so I know exactly this video will bring value to you, and it will show you exactly from like processing orders to finding winning products. I'll show you everything you need in this tutorial. Also, I'm not going to use any software on this video because I have used software in the past and it seems like it's not working for me, and I will be mentioning the reasons why the software doesn't work for me, and I don't recommend you to use software. So first thing, to start your eBay dropshipping business, you have to know how to open an eBay account. Of course, I know this is just basics. Just open an eBay account and also AliExpress that you are going to be using. Now you may say, why should I use AliExpress instead of Amazon or Walmart or let's say Lowe's? Because I have tested every supplier. I've used every e-commerce website, and I have found that AliExpress comes with a lot of benefits, including they don't ship the product with the logo in the package, so you are not going to have any problems with the customer. Okay, so on Amazon, if you are shipping from Amazon, there are a lot of people that will complain and say, oh, I don't want to buy this. If I wanted to buy this from Amazon, I can just go to Amazon, not eBay. Because when you are drop shipping from Amazon, the logo of the Amazon, like the package, it will include the Amazon logo in the package. Okay, so that's why I use AliExpress. Also the prices, okay, the prices on AliExpress are very cheap, and not everyone is using AliExpress to dropship on eBay. Everyone now is using Amazon, and there is a lot of competition with Amazon. Okay, if you are using Amazon to dropship on eBay, that's why I use AliExpress. It's not complicated. It's a Chinese website, yes, and the shipping time is very, very good. You will not have any problems with the shipping time. Like I said, I am managing right now 6 stores, like most of them doing over like $9,000, $10,000 a month sales. Okay, this is not profit sales. The profit margin usually around like 15%, 20%, 30% if you know exactly what you are doing and you are applying the exact same tricks and tips that I will mention in this tutorial. By the way, if you want me to manage everything for you and scale your store, you can just contact me on Instagram. This is the username of my own Instagram account. You can contact me and then I can take your store from 0 to whatever number you want. Okay, so let's get started right now. First, like I said, is you want to open AliExpress account and then eBay account. Now just use AliExpress because your shipping time has improved a lot. Now I've been using AliExpress for 6 years, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. So after you do this, what you need to do is you want to go to AliExpress. Okay, find any product on AliExpress. On the homepage on AliExpress, find any product. In my case, I'm going to go with this one, for example. Now what you want to do is you want to copy the whole title and then go to eBay and then search for it on eBay. Okay, so just search for this title. The reason why we need to do this is because we want to find other dropshippers that are using AliExpress to dropship. Okay, so this one will help you find other dropshippers. Like you can just use any product, not this one. You can use also this one, any product. Just find dropshippers that are selling the exact same product. Now, the reason why we want to do this is because we want to find if this product is proven to work on eBay or not. Now, we know that on AliExpress, it has 3,000 sales on AliExpress. Like a lot of people are buying this on AliExpress. Now, but this is not proven to work on eBay yet. We have to know if other sellers are selling these products or not. Now, that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. Now, I'm going to find here people that are selling the exact same products. You can see the same image. This guy is selling it on eBay for $90. I believe there is some mistake with the pricing on their listing. They have to fix it. Now, as you can see, this one is selling it for $10.99, and he has sold it 27 times, which is a very, very good sign that this product is very good product on eBay and people are interested on this also on eBay. Okay, like I said, we know on AliExpress it's getting a lot of sales, but on eBay we don't know exactly how many sales it's getting. So as you can see here on eBay, it has 27 sales. Now what I want you to do after you find the exact same product with above 3 sales, okay, anything below 3 sales, don't even bother with it. Okay, Now, after you find the exact same product, which I have found this myself right now on this guy, just scroll down and see the item location. As you can see, it says here located in China. Okay, so as you can see, the item location located in China, but we can find like people, or we can find more products. Why? Because the item location here is China, okay, but we can go to the username, and then we can click on the username again, and we can click on about, and then you will be able to find here United States. Now the United States and the item location is from China. That means this guy is a dropshipper on AliExpress, okay? Because AliExpress is a Chinese website, and also location on this eBay store is United States, but the item location is China. That means he's a dropshipper. Because he's a dropshipper, we can go and check his other listings. Now, just scroll down and click on sold items, and after that, you will be able to see all the sold items on his store. Not only that, because all these products are very good products, because we clicked on sold items, and eBay will show us only products that are getting sales. Now, if we click on one of these products alone will help us find other dropshippers. Here is how. Now just copy the title here and then click on the search for it on eBay, and this will help you find other dropshippers that are selling the exact same product, just like this one, as you can see. Okay, so after you find a good product like this one, as you can see, this guy it's the same product. As you can see, it's the same store. As you can see, it has been sold 13 times, which is above three sales, which is a very, very good sign. This product is getting sales. Now, after you find the product, now we have found the first one, which is this one. It's a winning product. It has 27. Also, we found this one on his own store, which is 13 sales. Now, like I said, this exact title will help you find other dropshippers that are dropshipping from AliExpress, okay? So what you need to do is to list the exact same thing. Now, not only that, even the first title, as you can see, that we have found the similar product on eBay. We can just use it to find other dropshippers that are selling on eBay. As you can see, this one, check this one. And I'm going to, as you can see, there are a lot of people that are selling the exact same product. This one again is selling the same product. It has been sold 3 times. Like I said, anything above 3 times is good, and even 3 times is good. 3 sold, as you can see, is good. Okay, you can list it. Now what you need to do is you want to, as you can see, we already have the product here on AliExpress, and we have it on eBay. Now what you need to do is you want to click on sell. Okay, now after you click on sell, you will be able to list this exact same product on your store, so that you can start selling. Click on create listing. Now, like I said, I will be mentioning why I don't use software for this, because I have used software in the past, and I was doing like $6,000. I remember in 2023 I was doing $6,000, almost $7,000 a month in sale. The moment I used software, something happened on my eBay. Probably like eBay flagged my account or something, and all my sales dropped to let's say $2,000 a month. All of a sudden, $1,000. All of a sudden, the eBay store stopped getting sales. So I don't want you to face the same problem. That's why I'm making these videos. Just don't use these softwares, because they are not designed to help you make money. They are just making money off of you. That's exactly what you want. So now, as you can see, we have here, click on, like I said, sell. And after you are in this page, enter the eBay title, okay? Now, as you can see on eBay, there is this title, right? Okay, there is this title here. It has 3 sales. On AliExpress, this is the title of the AliExpress seller. It has 3,000 sales. What title we are going to copy? We are going to copy the eBay seller title, because these keywords are proven to work on eBay. The proof is 3 sales. So just copy the eBay title, okay? Now after that, you want to paste it here. Click on search. Now after you click on search, you want to click on new, and then click on continue listing, and after that you want to scroll down, and then you want to upload the images. Now to download the images from AliExpress, you can just download this extension. Just search for download AliExpress images, and then after that you will be able to find this extension. It's called AliSave Plus. This is the extension. Now after you download it, what you need to do next is you want to go to AliExpress, click on these new buttons that will pop up after you download the extension, which is main images. Now as you can see, we have downloaded all the images. Now we can just go back to eBay listing and we can upload them on our eBay listing. Okay, it seems like it's not the same product. I have added some other other images. Now I'm going to click on downloads. I'm going to upload now the right images. I'm going to click on open. As you can see, these are the images. It's the same product as you can see here. I'm going to remove this old one. Okay, this is the product. These are the images from AliExpress. Now what you need to do is you want to scroll down, and here you want to copy the item specifics from eBay seller. Okay, scroll down and you will be able to find here the item specifics, and you can just enter them here on your listing. Always brand. You want to go with unbranded. I don't want you to face problems with branded products or anything like. Just go with unbranded so that you can scale your business without problems with like companies reporting you to eBay. I don't want you to face that. So here the model name, what he mentioned here, the model is car leather repair paint. That's what I'm going to do right now. Here the MPN he didn't even include it, so just ignore it. Now after that, the California Prop 65 warning. See if there is something here. It seems like he didn't mention that. Just ignore that too. The unit type. Okay, I'm going to search here for unit type. I'm going to search for it here. It seems like he didn't mention that, so just ignore it. Okay, so after that you want to come up with description. Now after you download, you just need to download the images like I said from AliExpress, but anything else is from eBay, including the description. Just right click and then copy all the description and then paste it here on your eBay listing. Now after that, you can also use AI description. If you click on use AI description, it will generate a description based on your eBay title. Now here the price, you want to just reduce it a little bit by cent. Okay, for example, if he is selling it for $10.99, you want to sell it for $10.98. Just reduce the price for a little bit. Okay, after that you want to click on list. Now after you start listing the products, I recommend you to list at least 50 products. That will help you start getting sales. Now if you go now to eBay, click on orders, click on awaiting shipment. Anything that is sold, like if someone buys the product from you, you will be able to find them here. Orders awaiting shipment. As you can see, yesterday someone purchased this product from me. Now this is, you want to just click on the view order details, and here you will be able to find the address of the customer. Now after you find the address of the customer, you can just go to AliExpress, click on buy now. Instead of putting your own eBay address on AliExpress, you put the address of the customer, and then AliExpress ships the product directly to the customer. Very, very simple business. Now after you do this, after you buy the product for your customer using their eBay exact address, you will wait 2 days, and then there will be a tracking number available. Now just go back to eBay, click on more actions, click on add tracking number, and after that you want to just enter here the tracking number and the carrier. Everything will be provided by AliExpress once the product is shipped. Now after that you want to click on save and continue. That's all you need to do. Now some people will say, what if someone opens a dispute or they don't like the product or something like that? Just do the exact same thing with AliExpress. You will never lose money with this business. Go to AliExpress, find the product, and then open a dispute against the AliExpress seller, and then once you get a refund, you can then refund your eBay buyer. It's very, very simple. Like I said, if you have any questions or anything like that, here is my own Instagram account. Just contact me on Instagram, as you can see, and then we can take your store from 0 to whatever number you want. We can make call, like you can call me directly, and I will be able to manage everything for you. Now hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just comment below your questions and I will try to give you a solution. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.